4. It's like a 5-pounder, bro. Blocking the whole trail to knock down so many trees on it. But we out here today. It's around 7 in the morning. Gonna try some buzz bait fishing. Then I also want to try this little cicada. Never really gave it a chance, really. Gonna try to get a couple this morning before we go back in. It's a cool morning too, so we should get a couple good bites. It's only 70 degrees. Ain't been like this in the morning in a while. So this will definitely be a good little bite today. Hopefully, at least. Start out with the buzz bait. Just because obviously I don't know how good that cicada gonna do. Stick in the roots first. Like a little slime. Little go. Oh. See him blow up on it. I knew it was gonna have to be one right there. It's a new spot. They done took out their vegetation. It's usually right there. First one of the day though. A good little half-pounder, almost a pound. Thanks for the bite. Let's get you back in there. Ooh. Spinnerbait with a little chartreuse or Got one that quick. As soon as I put on the spinnerbait, okay. We'll take that. Y'all literally just seen me put this bait on and I got a hit first cast. Come on, don't tweak out. Don't go crazy. I don't want to be injured by you, my guy. You don't gotta do that to me. Face that, bro. The small one. Hit it quick though. Can't complain. Third one of the day. Let's get some more, man. Just got a damn. Is that a? Oh, it's a rock bass. On the Cicada. First fish I done caught on this bait. And it just broke my wheel somehow. Yeah. Sure that's a rock bass or a called warhog, something. Warmouth. Y'all let me know down in the comments. I'm pretty sure this is a rock bass though. Blew up on the top like a little big belly rock bass. Get back in there, little guy. Ooh. Let's go. I don't know how he broke this down. Worm. I mean, not my worm. Definitely keeping that spinner bait on. Throw this buzz bait around a little bit for here. Just don't get no interest. Go ahead and switch to Ned rig on here. As soon as I throw it over. There we go, baby. Hopefully it didn't get off. Nope. Fifth one already for the day. Nope, you ain't going nowhere. Don't run up in them weeds. Ain't doing it. Oh, it got off. Damn. Fuck, that was a good one too. was reeling the net rig in to the bank. Got a bite on it. We'll take it though. Fifth one of the day, of the morning, I would say. Fifth one of the morning. Decent little fish. Can't complain when you're 5 up. When you're 5 up. She go. Okay. Good one. It's a big one, yeah. Oh my God. I know that ain't a 4. Like a 4. It's like a 5-pounder, bro. Yo. We just caught a damn. We just got a foot. Oh man. Get some pictures on my phone with this. Let's fucking go, boy. Spinnerbait never fails. Oh my God. I ain't caught a big one like this in a good while. I can get some pictures on my phone real quick. Thanks for the bite, baby. Good old 4 to 5. Wish I had a scale on me, but I've caught numerous 4 to 5 pounders, 4+ pounders. That's my experience. So I know that that's like a 4 or 5. Let's go, baby.